Have you ever walked into your home and noticed a stubborn, earthy smell that just won't go away? That classic musty odor is often your very first warning sign of a hidden mold problem. That distinct smell isn't just old air. It is actually chemical compounds released by actively growing mold spores as they digest materials like wood and drywall. If you smell it, the mold is already feeding. Our noses are incredibly sensitive to these compounds. If the smell is strongest when you open a specific closet, turn on the air conditioner, or enter the basement, you have successfully narrowed down the search area. Mold cannot exist without a water source. Start looking for subtle clues of moisture in the smelly room, like peeling wallpaper, blistering paint, or dark water stains on the ceiling and baseboards. Mold loves dark, undisturbed places. Pull heavy bookcases, couches, and beds away from exterior walls. Condensation often forms behind these items, creating the perfect hidden breeding ground for fungal growth. Grab a flashlight and check underneath every sink in the house. A microscopic, slow drip from a P-trap or a leaky water supply valve will easily soak the cabinet base and trigger a massive mold colony. If the musty smell hits you the second the air conditioning kicks on, the problem is likely inside your ductwork or the unit itself. Moisture naturally condenses on the cold cooling coils, inviting mold to move right in. Carpet acts like a giant sponge. If you have had a past spill or a minor flood, the moisture can remain trapped in the padding underneath for months, allowing mold to quietly flourish right under your feet. Pay close attention to how you feel inside the house. If your family is suddenly experiencing unexplained allergies, frequent sneezing, or persistent coughing that magically clears up when you leave home, hidden mold is likely the culprit. Masking the odor with scented candles and plug-in air fresheners only allows the mold to continue spreading and causing structural damage behind the scenes. You must completely eliminate the source, not just the smell. Stop guessing and find the source of that musty odor before it spreads. For expert moisture detection and professional mold remediation, trust the specialist to protect your home. Call us at 619-4499-611 or visit at goldcoastflood.com.